Is your front-load washer refusing to drain? Don't call a repairman just yet. Most of the time, it's just a clogged drain pump filter, and I'm going to show you how to clear it out in under 5 minutes. First rule, safety. Unplug your machine. We're working with water and electricity, so don't skip this step. Next, grab a shallow tray and some old towels. There will be water, and you don't want it all over your floor. Pop open the access panel at the bottom of your machine. See this little hose? This is the emergency drain. Pull the plug and let the excess water empty into your tray. If your drum was full, you might need to empty your tray a few times before it's totally clear. Once the hose stops dripping, it's time for the main event. Slowly unscrew the large filter cap counterclockwise. Be ready, a little more water usually leaks out here. And there's the culprit. Coins, hair ties, or just a thick layer of lint can easily choke your pump. Give this filter a good scrub in the sink with warm, soapy water until it's clean. Finally, slide the clean filter back in and twist it tight. Make sure it's snug so it doesn't leak. Pop the door back on, plug the machine back in, and run a quick test cycle. You're back in business. If this saved you a service fee, hit that like button and subscribe for more home DIY fixes.